beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new Revolution gift set that is on their website. It's actually half price at the moment, so I'll show you that in a little momento. But if you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Or even if you are here for the long term, please give it a thumbs up so I know what kind of videos to do for you in the future as well. And please go enter my huge 10,000 subscriber giveaway linked down below after this video. It'll also be linked on the end screen as well. And if you want to join my Patreon, I will leave it linked down below and a little video explaining what a Patreon is and what it includes and everything good like that as well. So let's just get straight into this Revolution gift set. It sounds like it was broke then, doesn't it, from the noise that it makes? It's just the stuff inside. So this is the brand new Revolution gift set. They have brought out quite a few new ones, but the other ones just didn't really tickle my pickle, to be honest with you, whereas this one was right up my street. So this retails originally for £24, but it went up on the sale for £12. So I'd have a look because they've got huge Black Friday sales on at the moment. Last time I checked, this was still £12. So it comes with 4 different shadows inside. It sounds so squeaky. So it comes just looking like this. This would be really good if you wanted to get somebody a gift set who is quite a natural person, or if you want somebody to have some more kind of go-to eyeshadow palettes in their collection that will get the use out of, I would definitely recommend this. So it comes with 4 mini palettes inside. I do think as well this would be really good if you and your friends were doing like a Secret Santa, or if you were just doing Secret Santas, or you just want little stocking fillers. You could obviously just split this up and give them to each person individually, and obviously give them 2, entirely up to you how you want to kind of split it. But I just think for £12 for 4 of these eyeshadow palettes is just amazing. I think if it was 24, I probably wouldn't buy it. I feel like it's a bit pricey for 24, even though like obviously it's still really good. I feel like 12 just kind of was that sweet spot. So let's start. On the back of them, it has like light, medium, olive and dark. So we'll start with the light first and work our way up. Please let me know down below if you want me to do an individual video on each of these palettes and which one to start with, because I'll definitely do that for you as well. But this is what the first one looks like. So this is the light one. So it has got quite a lot of mattes in this one, which is quite different for Revolution actually. I can't even open it. That was a lot harder than it needed to be. So this is what it looks like. So the only shimmers that are in this one are this kind of purpley one, a pinky one, and then a more kind of bronze toned one. When I do my review video, I will do swatches and everything, and obviously I'll try them out in an actual tutorial. But these are cruelty free and vegan as well, just in case you are wondering. And it says 5, 6, 7 and 9 are pressed pigments. That's 4 different colours. So 5, 6, 7 and 9. All 4 of them are pressed pigment and the rest are normal eyeshadows. That's the first one in the shade light. Then we have the next one, which is in the shade medium. This again has 3 shimmers. One of them looks like a foil and it looks beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of what I've got on now, which is my taxi review video. This one. This taxi palette from Revolution and Friends. I was going to get this one up for you tonight, but I've just not had chance, so I'm switching things around and this will be coming tomorrow night instead. I just won't have time. It's like 8:45 when I'm filming this, so I won't have time to put this one up the day that you're watching it. So I'll hopefully, well, I definitely will be putting it up tomorrow, which will be Friday night. But I thought this would be a nice one to get up because I was meant to put it up yesterday, but that foil in the middle looks beautiful. I can't open. Why are they so hard to open? Oh, they're sealed. They're sealed and I'm just like ripping through the silly tape. That's why they're hard to open, because they're sellotaped up. So this is what the medium one looks like. I literally can't wait to get my finger in that foil. Look at that in the middle. Beautiful. I definitely think they could have gone in with a darker matte in this one, just to add a bit more depth, because a lot of these kind of mattes are quite similar. So I think a darker one would have been nice, but obviously this is the medium palette, so that kind of makes sense. Then we have the dark one, which definitely has the more darker colours in it. So I guess it goes with the actual theme of the palettes. I've never seen these sold separate, like these actual ones. God, these are so hard to open because of that sticky bit. Has anyone got that song in the head? Stop. What the hell are you talking about? Get my pretty name out of your mouth. Just break through the solitude. There we go. God, it's like an absolute workout getting into these. So this is what the dark one looks like. I love, by the way, that it's got a very, very dark blue in it. So again, 3 shimmers. We've got this one as a shimmer, and then these middle 2, and then all the rest are mattes. This is just what it looks like. I get really excited by eyeshadows. This is the olive one, which, to be honest with you, it's not very olivey to me. I wouldn't have named this olive, but this is what it looks like. That orange, that looks beautiful. Again, same thing again. So it's got 3 shimmers. So we've got the 2 in the middle, and we also have this one down here as well. And all the rest of them are mattes. Please let me know, do you want me to do a review on this? Do you think they're worth £12? And if you do want me to do individual reviews on all of the palettes, which one do I start with first? Do I start with the light one? Do I start with the medium? Just to put them in the right order for you. Medium, which has that beautiful foil in it. Then we have the dark. I think there's literally just the medium that has a foil. Yeah. And then we also have olive. And again, with olive, that one has 2 pressed pigments in. And I think, yeah, there's 3 pressed pigments in the dark one as well. So yeah, that's literally all of the 4 different palettes that you get in the Revolution, the Neutrals collection. Like I said, I really would recommend it for like a Christmas gift, especially because it comes, let me just grab the box again. Oh my God. Especially because it comes in such a big box. I feel like it's quite a affordable present for somebody, especially for makeup, because makeup can look like really, really small, but can be worth quite a lot of money. I think this just makes it look a bit more big and bulky and like a bigger present in it as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting it whilst it's on the £12 offer. Please let me know which one we start with, because I will do that for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. I'm so excited to show you all my Christmas intro. You'll hear me mention it in tomorrow's video, because I literally got the email showing me the intro whilst I was filming this makeup look today. So I'm so excited to show you what it's gonna look like. My patrons have already seen it. I've already showed my Patreons as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a video on this makeup look. Love you so much. Bye guys.